news or I have bad news? Which news do you guys want to hear first? Which news do you want to hear first? Good news or bad? Bad news? Alright, well the bad news is I only have one more song left. What the good news is I wrote this last song for each and every one of you in the audience tonight. It's not just any song, you know. It's about love. It's all about girl.